Thank you, Ramon Tremosa.
Thank you, President. President Draghi, I have a question on NPLs, because some countries still have high levels of NPLs, and this is, of course, a problem for the solvency of many European banks. On one side, we have to take into account that a lot of NPLs come from SMEs. And on the other side, some of the countries mostly affected by NPLs are precisely the countries with the worst implementation of the Late Payments Directive. Don't you think it is fundamental that the European member states apply correctly these late payment directives? Because there are some member states in which, for instance, some multinationals still pay bills to SMEs to 200 or 300 days, not in 30 or 60 days, and there is no sanctions regime still put in place. Do you think that it's important or not? Maybe I'm wrong. Do you think that it's worth that the ECB can study this particular point? Thank you.
Well, I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more with you. Much of the NPLs generated by SMEs finds its origins in the Great Recession. In that recession, very often SMEs were not paid as they ought to by their legitimate debtors. You mentioned multinationals, but there are also governments. Governments didn't pay them for months, often years. So I couldn't agree more with your suggestion. The first, the NPLs may have various origins, but frankly, the fact that NPLs do originate in the lack of payment by overarching subject facing small and medium-sized enterprises is especially, I would say, especially to be reproached and to be corrected.